Well, unfortunately, it's going to be a very short update this time. Very little done because it was a very short trip home. I got home on the Friday the 3rd in the evening, and of course, the power was off. It had been off for a couple of days and didn't come back on until Saturday morning. And now I've got to leave tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So I had a bunch of other stuff to do, but I did get a tiny bit done, but not much. I'll just show you real quick. At least now all 6 of these bases that the side speakers will be mounted to have all been mounted to the wall. So, and then most of the except for that amplifier, that one's, I'm not sure what I'll use it for. It's kind of an extra. I brought these stands that I made on the last trip in here. Started putting things together, putting all the amplifiers in there. That's all the stuff for the left channel with the crossover on top there. And then the center speaker here, I haven't put the crossover there yet. In fact, I haven't built it yet. So, and then the right channel over here. Started wiring all that up. But other than that, I didn't really get much done. I got one of the side speakers basically ready to mount by mounting these little metal brackets on here. They'll mount it to the wall. And then, of course, the one that's already mounted has this rock wool in here. So it's just a 2-inch piece of that I wrapped with a grill cloth. So the other thing I got done was I got the other 5 of those made. So there they are. So when I get back on this next trip home, I'll be able to go ahead and mount the rest of the side speakers. And then also while I was in Oregon, I built all the crossovers for the side speakers, so those are ready to go. But that's about it. I got one thing downstairs that I acquired, but it'll be a while before I get it set up. Let me just go down there. Okay, I got a NOS. Say if you can see that. Synology. It's got 8 bays, and I got 4 of these Seagate 18 terabyte drives. And there's a link on Techthusiasm's YouTube channel, and I use that link to get these. And you need to do that. I'll put. I figure if you found my channel, you've known about his channel for a long time. So, but in case you haven't, I'll put a link to his channel on there, and you can go, if you need any of this stuff, you can go to his link so he can get some credit for that. So not just him, but you know, I don't monetize my channel. Don't really plan to ever do that unless maybe someday after I retire I might, but other than that, probably not. But the guys that do, it helps their channel if you use those links. So you want to make sure and always do that. So unfortunately, I wish I had a better update. I wish I had a lot more done, but it was a really short trip. No power when I first got home, and and then a million things to do, and it looks like this upcoming trip's going to be long. I'll be first in New Mexico a few days, then Portland, and then my boss told me to bring my passport because I'll probably be going somewhere overseas from Portland, and I may not see home again for 6 or 8 weeks. Anyway, that's it.